Welcome back everyone. To make the surprise package, we are taking two soap foams, elastic gloves and an empty bottle. Let us divide the bottle into two parts horizontally. Make the hole at the bottom and letting the gloves inside it through the hole partially. After this process, cut the top pointed finger side of the glove so that and glue it strictly so that it stick tightly. Now cut the foam edge here and the rest is what you are seeing. So finally we have made this beautiful package and it's almost completed. So how do you like this beautiful package? You can now gift this beautiful pot to anyone. Yeah, it is a pot as you can see. I will put water and put some beautiful flower here. Thank you.